Do you find the drawings? Hey, best way? I went that way. You go to the Pirate Cave if you want. Christ almighty, look at the amount of snow. That just came out of nowhere. Nobody's drying it yet, so. That's lying. But I'm going to put this into the vlog. I'll cancel that. Sorry guys, I'm leaving.